Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for a haunted flat ride. We're going to go on Twisted Terror here at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, 2024. It used to be called...
the Turkish Delight.
The Turkish Delight. I think it's a teacup ride, but they've got it all themed. There's going to be some horror lighting elements, so please be aware there could be flashing lights and moving sounds and pictures inside of this video. We'll bring you on board, point of view, from my point of view, on the ride and see what it looks like. So let's go on Twisted Terror. Here's the ride safety requirements if you want to pause those for the younger riders, and you need to be at least 14 years of age on this one. We'll see what it looks like inside. Spooky. Spooky. This is going to be as intense as Cyclone Sam's, Becky. I doubt it. I doubt it. If you're joining us for this one, yep, jump in the shot. We'll talk about the old Parkaroo. So this is day 2 actually, so there'll be a lot of good haunted houses on here. We had one good haunted house last night. We did the Dark Coaster indoor dark ride. And what else did we do? We did a third thing yesterday.
Yes, we went on Loch Ness Monster.
The Loch Ness Monster,
yes.
1978. Refurbed last year, I think. Last year or this year? No, just 5 months ago.
Yeah.
And had a pretty good ride on it. Those loops, that's the only double interlocking loop left. And
that was something.
It's interesting. It's not as bad, but it's got like a little stall or something when you're in the front. So
yeah,
be interesting to ride it at night in the back. It might be different.
There for a couple seconds.
But the Loch Ness Monster they put there was pretty sweet. You got to walk all the way down by the boat ramp to
During your
get
ride,
on that.
please remain sitting upright,
Okay,
facing forward with
sit
your hands,
upright.
arms, and legs down and inside the car. Please secure all loose articles.
Dang, I already got in trouble.
Lost or damaged. Again,
have my
for
arms
your
out
own
the side.
safety, please keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car.
I don't know.
And
Are they
remain
gonna
sitting
they're gonna do a little
upright,
tunes
facing forward
in here?
at all
This
times.
might be one you want to do at night.
Yeah.
Just for the little. There's just too much daylight. They got some sunlight coming in. They need to pull that curtain there. The staff. I think that might be the better way to go. But anywho, the old spinning teacup ride. So I think up next we're going to try to get on a couple of roller coasters today. So maybe Pantheon. Pantheon's a good one. That's a new one, I think, last year.
I believe so.
The fastest, what, double launch or something like that?
World's fastest double launch.
World's fastest double launch. I don't know. That was last year. Maybe somebody put one in that's even faster.
It's possible.
Nothing would shock me. So, howdy, howdy. Oh, I thought we were going to get a good spin there.
Are we spinning this?
If you wanted to spin a lot,
It's spinning already.
I think it's going to spin us pretty good. But so if you want to watch us in an insane spinning ride, well, there's really 2 on the channel if you're out there and you want to see them. Cyclone Sam's.
Oh my gosh, that is a ride.
That is like a spaceship inside of a vortex. It simulates a cyclone and like what it feels like to be inside a cyclone, and it's pretty close. I'm glad I didn't go backwards on that one.
That was something else.
Forwards was okay, but it was like being in high seas on a little boat.
It was like a wave sensation.
Going like 30 foot swells up and down.
And then you were like...
And then, oh man, and it spins you. But the, it was called, we gotta hold on, we're getting ready to go. So Pandemonium, it used to be Tony Hawk's spinning coaster, and they rebranded it Pandemonium.
Yeah.
And we like sat the wrong way on that ride, and we were overloaded, and we had like a younger rider next to me.
Yeah.
And at the end of the ride, we must have did like 40 or 50 spins. It literally spinned us all the way into the station. So, oh, this is a rattler. She's a rattler. She's a rattling. Now we're spinning. Are you sliding?
I'm trying to slide.
I got my arm in this arm bar. So, I mean, you can spin away if you want. I don't care. It's almost like a scrambler motion, and then it just kind of takes you around.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. What, you want to go fast? think we got to go the same direction, Becky. Oh, that's changing it up.
This is like the scramble.
I don't know if we are spinning. Are we spinning for or against it? Oh, this is feeling weird.
Oh, now I'm going backwards.
All right, we can try the other way. Spin the other way.
Wait, what?
Spin the other way. Now we'll go fast.
Oh no!
See, we were going against it. Now we're going with it.
I'm like falling all over the place. Oh god. I think we're slowing down.
Slowing down.
At that time, please check to make sure you have all
Little dizzy.
So if you want to slow her down into more of a scrambler ride style, you want to spin it counterclockwise
That was feeling like
on my side. And then if you want to really spin to the clock,
this way.
clockwise. All right, we're all
I'm
set.
so dizzy.
We'll see you outside. Hopefully I can back out of this without doing a little tumble.
I can too.
There we go. See how Becky's balance is. And she made it. Exit straight ahead. All right. All right. Twisted Terror. Did you feel the terror or the twist?
Definitely the twist. Had a little dizziness there coming off the ride, but yeah, it was a fun ride.
I thought it was good. We've been on a similar conversion one. It's out there on the channel, but they had more lighting and more like theme music.
Right.
And they did have like one of the flaps open, so you were getting a lot more daylight in there. So I think this one's probably going to be a night ride. If you got those long lines, or this is a nice little area. They got this elephant run over here behind us. So if you want to drop the kiddos while you're trying to get in line for Pantheon or something like that, they can probably putz around here and get on a few of these little areas right here and kill some time and have a great time. So I had a nice ride on it. It's interesting, the power wheel, if you try to fight the tiger, as I like to say, it kind of slows you down. You're just like in a scrambler throw, and then if you go spin,
It definitely felt like that, yeah.
it really starts spinning you, almost like a tilt-a-whirl or something like that. So pretty cool. I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna say they could have picked up the theming a little bit, closed that flap, maybe even some smoke effects or fog effects or something like that. Might be interesting. But if you stuck with this long, thank you. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. We don't like to ask for that, but if you don't, they say you get like 10% of the subscribers that you would, so you're shooting yourself in the foot. So consider doing that. And big thank you to all our subscribers, and we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.